A computer is an electronic device that accepts data, performs operations, displays results, and stores the data or results as needed. It is a combination of hardware and software resources that integrate together and provides various functionalities to the user. Hardware is the physical components of a computer like a processor, memory devices, monitor, keyboard, etc., while software is a set of programs or instructions that are required by the hardware resources to function properly. Input unit. The input unit consists of input devices that are attached to the computer. These devices take input and convert it into binary language that the computer understands. Some of the common input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, etc. The input unit is formed by attaching one or more input devices to a computer. A user input data and instructions through input devices such as a keyboard, mouse, etc. Keyboard. Keyboard is the most common and very popular input device which helps to input data to the computer. The layout of the keyboard is like that of traditional typewriter, although there are some additional keys provided for performing additional functions. Keyboards are of two sizes, 84 keys or 101 seconds keys, but now keyboards with 104 keys or 108 keys are also available for Windows and Internet. The keys on the keyboard are as follows. Typing keys. These keys include the letter keys Z and digit keys 09, which generally give the same layout as that of typewriters. Numeric keypad. It is used to enter the numeric data or cursor movement. Generally, it consists of a set of 17 keys that are laid out in the same configuration used by most adding machines and calculators. Function keys. The 12 function keys are present on the keyboard, which are arranged in a row at the top of the keyboard. Each function key has a unique meaning and is used for some specific purpose. Control keys. These keys provide cursor and screen control. It includes 4 directional arrow keys. Control keys also include home, end, insert, delete, page up, page down, control, CRTL, alternate, alt, escape, SE. Special purpose keys. Keyboard also contains some special purpose keys such as enter, shift, caps lock, numlock, spacebar, tab, and print screen. Mouse. Mouse is the most popular pointing device. It is a very famous cursor control device having a small palm-sized box with a round ball at its base, which senses the movement of the mouse and sends corresponding signals to the CPU when the mouse buttons are pressed. Generally, it has 2 buttons called the left and the right button, and a wheel is present between the buttons. A mouse can be used to control the position of the cursor on the screen. Joystick. A joystick is a computer input device consisting of a stick that pivots on a base and reports its angle or direction to the device it is controlling. It is commonly used for gaming and controlling machinery or computer graphics applications, providing precise control over movement. Joysticks often include additional buttons for performing various functions, enhancing their versatility. They have been integral to gaming and simulation environments, offering a tactile and intuitive interface for users. Light pen. A light pen is a computer input device resembling a pen that allows users to interact directly with the screen. It detects light from the screen at the point of contact to determine precise location, enabling tasks like drawing or selecting objects. Light pens were popular with CRT monitors in early computing but have declined with the rise of modern touchscreens. Despite their reduced usage, they were crucial in the development of interactive technologies. Trackball. A trackball is a computer input device that features a stationary ball housed in a socket, which users manipulate with their fingers to move the cursor on the screen. Unlike a traditional mouse where the device moves, the trackball remains in place, allowing for precise control without requiring much desk space. Trackballs are used in professional settings and gaming for their accuracy and ergonomic benefits. Scanner. A scanner is a device used to convert physical documents, photographs, or other objects into digital images. It captures the details of the item being scanned and processes them into a format that can be stored, edited, and shared on a computer. Scanners come in various types, including flatbed, sheet-fed, and handheld, each suited for different scanning needs and environments. A graphic tablet. A graphic tablet is an input device that allows users to hand draw images, graphics, and text directly onto a computer screen. It typically includes a flat surface for drawing and a stylus or pen that detects pressure, angle, and movement. Graphic tablets are widely used by artists, designers, and illustrators for digital art creation and editing, offering a more natural and precise drawing experience than a mouse. Microphone. A microphone is an audio input device that converts sound waves into electrical signals for recording or amplification. It captures sound from the environment through a diaphragm that vibrates in response to sound pressure, which is then transformed into an electrical signal by a transducer. Microphones are used in various applications, including live performances, broadcasting, communication, and audio recording. Digital camera. A digital camera is a device that captures photographs and videos in a digital format, storing them electronically rather than on film. It uses a sensor such as a CCD or CMOS to convert light into digital data, which can then be processed and saved onto memory cards or other storage media. Digital cameras offer features like instant review, editing, and sharing of images, and range from compact point-and-shoot models to advanced DSLRs and mirrorless cameras for professional use. Magnetic Ink Character Recognition (MICR). A magnetic ink character recognition (MICR) reader is a device used to read characters printed with magnetic ink, commonly found on checks and other financial documents. It uses magnetism to detect and decode the special MICR font, typically comprising numbers and symbols at the bottom of checks, to facilitate automated processing and authentication. MICR readers enhance the speed and accuracy of document handling in banking and financial services, reducing the risk of errors and fraud. Optical Character Reader (OCR). An optical character reader (OCR) is a technology that converts different types of printed text, such as documents, images, or handwritten notes, into machine-encoded text. It works by scanning the text and using pattern recognition algorithms to identify and digitize the characters, making the content editable and searchable. OCR is widely used for digitizing printed documents, automating data entry, and enabling text recognition in various applications. Barcode Reader. A barcode reader is an electronic device that scans and decodes barcodes printed on various items. It uses a light source, typically a laser or LED, to capture the barcode's pattern and converts it into digital data, which is then sent to a computer or point-of-sale system for processing. Barcode readers streamline inventory management, sales transactions, and tracking processes across numerous industries, including retail, logistics, and healthcare. Processing unit. The processing unit of a computer, often referred to as the Central Processing Unit (CPU), is the primary component responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations. It interprets and processes data from software applications, carrying out tasks such as arithmetic, logic, control, and input-output operations. The CPU plays a crucial role in determining the overall speed and efficiency of a computer, acting as the brain of the system where most computations take place. In memory units, some main functions of memory units are listed below. Data and instructions are stored in memory units which are required for processing. It also stores the intermediate results of any calculation or task when they are in process. The final results of processing are stored in the memory units before these results are released to an output device for giving the output to the user. All sorts of inputs and outputs are transmitted through the memory unit. Control unit. Some main functions of the control unit are listed below. Controlling of data and transfer of data and instructions is done by the control unit among other parts of the computer. The control unit is responsible for managing all the units of the computer. The main task of the control unit is to obtain the instructions or data which is input from the memory unit, interprets them, and then directs the operation of the computer according to that. The control unit is responsible for communication with input and output devices for the transfer of data or results from memory. The control unit is not responsible for the processing of data or storing data. ALU Arithmetic Logic Unit. ALU Arithmetic Logic Unit is responsible for performing arithmetic and logical functions or operations. It consists of two subsections which are Arithmetic Section, Logic Section. Arithmetic Section. By arithmetic operations, we mean operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and all these operations and functions are performed by ALU. Also, all the complex operations are done by making repetitive use of the mentioned operations by ALU. In logical unit. By logical operations, we mean operations or functions like selecting, comparing, matching, and merging the data, and all these are performed by ALU. Output unit. Output units of a computer are devices that convey data and information from the computer to the user or another machine. These devices convert the computer's digital signals into a form that humans can perceive or into a format suitable for other devices. Here are some common output units. Monitor, also known as a display screen or visual display unit VDU, it presents visual output like text, images, and videos. Modern monitors are usually LCD or LED screens. Printer converts digital documents into physical copies on paper. Common types include inkjet, laser, and dot matrix printers. Speakers convert digital audio signals into sound. They are used for playing music, system sounds, and audio from videos and other media. Headphones, similar to speakers but worn on or in the ears for private listening. Projector projects visual output from the computer onto a larger screen or wall, often used in presentations and meetings. Plotter used for printing large-scale graphics and design.